I have just started the recording of this open meeting in compliance with CMS. For the record, prior to doing so, I announced that Palmetto GBA would make an audio recording of the open meeting and consented on behalf of Palmetto GBA. This open meeting is for 5 policies: Intervertebral Disc Repair, Radiation Therapies, Total Shoulder Arthroplasty, Magnetic Resonance Imaging of Head and Neck, Magnetic Resonance Angiography. We received no requests that were received prior to the deadline for presentation for this meeting. As such, there will be no presentations. Please be aware that the comment period is still open. It is open until October 12th. If you have comments on any of these policies, please send those to a.policy@Palmetto GBA or B.policy@Palmetto GBA. Again, please do so by the deadline of October 12th. Thus, with the fact that we have no presentations, I wish to close this meeting.